Today we'll be building this KD Garden vinyl raised garden bed. It's 4 foot by 4 foot, 13 inches tall. So when you open the box, you'll get 8 of these side pieces, 4 of these corner pieces. What I've done now is I've set up the side pieces with the corner pieces, laid them out. You'll see on each of the side pieces there is a little groove that you will slide into this little groove on the corner pieces. Take this side piece and line it up and slide it in. You'll do the same thing with the top piece. Again, you'll just take this groove and slide it in. Then you've got your side, and you will go ahead and do that to all the corners. You can line these up and then slide it into the corners. And voila, we have a finished product. We'll link the product below. We ordered it on Amazon. You can order more beds and create different patterns. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe.